Guys, I'm on my bedroom floor again. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Hello. Yes, it's the same day as Vlogmas Day 4 and I am wearing the same exact outfit. Welcome back to my bedroom floor. Today we're going to talk about organizing sentimental items and how I feel in general as a professional organizer about sentimental attachment to items and how to not hoard everything that triggers memories for you. Okay, let's get started. When I'm helping people organize their homes, I often come across things that are just sentimental items. So these are items that don't have any real purpose and you're not using them. They're not like, a camera, a phone, a television, makeup item. They're just things that they're keeping just because they have sentimental value. And sometimes when I go and I find these things with people, sometimes they're damaged or dirty or misshapen or have been shoved at the bottom of a closet, and clients are really upset because they've been damaged. So a way to avoid some of these situations is that I always tell clients to get a sentimental memory box. And I always encourage that this memory box be really beautiful, something like shell out some money for this box. Like let it be a really nice box, something that, or a chest or something, so that it has already this sort of perceived monetary value, and that everything that you want to have memories for you be placed inside that box and have it be in a place where you can access it easily, either in your bedroom, because if it's a beautiful box you're going to want to display it somewhere. So maybe it's in your bedroom, maybe it's in the living room, maybe it's in your office, and it's going to be full of your sentimental items that bring back memories to you. You want it to be easily accessible because you want to be able to A, easily put stuff in it, and B, easily review the items in it. And I say review in a very clinical way, but you want to be able to easily get at it and pull out the things and look at them and have them trigger the memories and feel the good feelings, and then easily put it away. I also encourage the box because sometimes some of those things inside the box may lose some of their sentimental value. Like at some point, maybe if you had a relationship and you had all these pictures from the relationship and that person either hurt you, the relationship has changed, you've broken up or whatever, you may want to get rid of some of those pictures and sort of erase them from your life. It can be really cathartic for you to go through some of that stuff and be like, out with this, The box also can limit the amount of items you can fit in there. You might not be able to fit all that you want in there, so that we limit ourselves on purpose. Like I can't keep everything that I want to for sentimental reasons and like fill up my whole place with things just because they trigger memories. And at the end of the day, that is really what the items are for. They are not people. They don't really have the essence of people, although it seems like they do. I'm a human talking to you, another human, and it sometimes does feel like things have the essence of souls, of people, pets, experiences, but they do not. They are just items, and they are just triggers for memories. So it may help you to realize that you don't need to keep 10 shirts of some experience or something else, or that you may only need to keep one, and that is enough to trigger the memory. So in saying that, I want to go through my own sentimental box, organize it a little bit, and maybe see if anything can be removed from the box, like it doesn't mean that much to me anymore, or whatever. So let's do this. So my memory box is next to my bed, and as you can see, it's a rather nice box. It's from the Container Store, and it's full. So I'm gonna like pull it out. That's the move, is I pull it, oh no, I turn it and then I pull it out this way. It's got these like kind of leathery handles on both sides, and it's pretty heavy. Okay, so here is my sentimental box, and inside you can see there's a lot of items. I don't think I need to have all of these in here, but I think I can get rid of some. Hello, Clover. Some of your stuff is in here too. So, oh, he's afraid of this dog. But this is like a stuffed animal that I used to have when I was a kid, and my mom let me have it before they moved. I think they got rid of a bunch of my stuffed animals, but I kept this one because it was one of my favorites. It was named Doggy, but on it is Clover's puppy coat that was given to me by the lady that raised him, and it doesn't fit him anymore, but I couldn't get rid of it because It's his puppy coat and it reminds me of his puppyhood. So we'll keep this. We'll put this down here and see if he is going to be okay with it. I feel like he's not, but because he hasn't in the past, but we'll see. This is not, this ended up in here by accident, so I'm gonna take that out. Oh, I've also got my Eevee and my Bulbasaur stuffed animal. Now, these ended up in here kind of by accident because Clover thinks these are his, but they're mine. So they were kind of hiding in here, but I think I will take them out and put them on the bed or something. But I think he probably thinks these are Clover toys, but they're most definitely not, because they're mommy's toys. Well, we'll see if he leaves them alone or not. He's very interested. It's not your toy, okay? Oh, he's freaked out by the dog now. Okay, it'll be okay. Oh, cool. I have a Loft Stable shirt. Okay, we've got a bunch of coins from other countries. This little box of items I don't think are terribly important to me anymore. So, except for this ring. So the rest of this can actually go. Oh, Clover, it's okay, buddy. Okay, I will move him, okay? I will hide him. I will hide him until he goes back in the box, okay? Oh, it's got stuff from, wow, this is all kinds of things in this box that are strange but mean a lot to me. These stickers are from someone I met at Vid Summit. She gave me a cute, but this videohacks.com sticker, I don't need that. Some of this is from Vid Summit, and I'm keeping 2 of the stickers of friends I made who they had stickers. Let's see. The product thing, I don't think I want to keep. Some of the Vid Summit stuff I'm going to keep, and some of it I'm going to throw away. Oh, this is from when I broke my ankle, and I kept the hardware. It was cleaned off and everything, but I put it in this little tiny box. Oh, I collected so many business cards from people at Vid Summit. Wow. Oh boy, this is a cat. Which cat is this one? This is Paddington. Oh my gosh, I love Paddington. I'm so sad about Paddington that he lives in that box. Actually, this is Paddington. Look at him. Is he not the cutest? That was just a kitten picture that I took of him. He's very special. I am not a conductor, but everyone had to buy one of these in college to get through conducting class. And I have kept this. I actually have occasionally practiced with this. So, you know, it has been used. There's some journals, this journal. I'm gonna take this out of here because I haven't written in it, and so I'm gonna have it out so that I can actually write in it. Get rid of that stuff. But let's see, what is this though? Cantata singers. Oh, you know what? Actually, that can go. Okay, that's a picture of Paddington Min that can stay. Okay, well this can go. Okay, that's something from my father-in-law. This can go. I don't even know. This is obviously the serial number to something, and I have no idea what it is. I wonder if I can tell what it is on my phone, you know? I guess if I don't know what this serial number is for, then it doesn't really matter, you know? All right, I don't know what it is. I haven't had a need to know what it is in years, so it's gotta go. What is this? Okay, well, sometimes after a little while, cards, I don't think I need to keep them, you know, the greeting cards, so some of those can go. Oh, this was Paddington's, like, favorite toy when he was a kitten. It's actually a baby toy from Bath and Body Works, and he loved it. I've got some roses here that were given to me by my husband, and I dried them. and they're in here, and they're kind of special, so I kept those. Oh my gosh. This is some Italian text from an opera. Honestly, this was his favorite toy. It's called like Mr. Raccoon Man. So I'm keeping 2 of Paddington's toys. I know that he played with these like little mice for, you know, for the most of his life, but I don't feel emotionally attached to this mouse. I don't feel as emotionally attached to this mouse as I am attached to this little stupid little toy. It brings me like a lot more memories of Paddington. So this mouse can actually go away. I can, you know, get some more room in my box here for other more special things. Okay, so I think that I have gotten rid of a couple of things from in here, but not a huge amount, but enough to make it so that I don't have like extraneous things in here that I don't really care about. So let me go. Okay, and there is my memory box, and as you can see, you know, I'm a regular person. I have memories attached to items, but I've kept them all together, and it's been really nice to be able to open this and go through this box and to relive some memories. I even have my first journal from when I think I was 8 actually when I started the journal, 1986. So yes, I think I was 8 then. Let's see, 1986 was the first entry. So yes, I was 8 when I started writing in these journals, and they are really kind of fun to read because it's me and I'm the same person. February 13th, today is the day, a very special day. It's free day tomorrow, and I've got to make these Valentine's cards ready for tomorrow. I just did a little sneaking. I looked at a book last night, but it's not Valentine's Day yet. That's the entire entry for that. Let's see, oh boy. I'm not gonna read the one on Valentine's Day because that one is very embarrassing. Oh, these are just mainly involving some talking about the crush I had on a boy. Tomorrow we might not have school because they're expecting a snowstorm and icy roads at 12 o'clock tonight. I hope it snows 10 inches. See ya, KP. At the bottom it says, I'm wishing hard. I don't know if there was a snowstorm that day because then it goes right into February. These are so funny. October 1st, 1989. Dear Diary, it's the 1st of October and I feel great. I just hope I can sing tomorrow evening because that's the day of the audition for the talent show. My mom is trying to type something on my computer. She's having a pretty hard time. I can't wait to call Joni. I've called before, but the line was busy. All we ever talk about is new kids on the block, new kids on the block, new kids on the block. That's why we get along so well. She's my best buddy. Sealed with a kiss, Kay. Dear Diary, hey, what's up? Why am I asking a book? The dance is tomorrow, yes! If a slow song comes on, I'm running away from Michael or whatever. Today he gave me a white carnation in front of everybody. Aw, but It was the boy who liked me, but I thought was kind of scary. I bought Joni a sun catcher for Christmas. She's going to like it very much. Joni's my best buddy. Too bad she's not going to do the dance. We have Mr. Green. It's gonna be so bumpin'. Bye. Oh my gosh. Wow. I really need to read. Okay. In the comments, if you want me to read more of these entries, because this is the first diary I owned, and then I think my second one is in here somewhere. It might be, which one is it? Oh, it's this one. And then there's this one. And then we get into like really dark college times. So those probably not going to read a lot, but if you would like some more fun entries from my childhood and middle school years, let me know. But that is my sentimental box. I hope it's inspired you to get your own sentimental box. I haven't been able to see you haven't been able to see my face for the entire video. But if you are thinking about doing this, or you know someone who needs to hear this, please share this video with them. And Okay, that's it. Happy Vlogmas Day 5, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.